Hi, beautiful queens. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we'll be doing a cucumber face soap. Yes, a cucumber face soap. You heard me right. One thing I like about cucumber face soap is that it helps you to clean up all the dark spots and make your face look smooth and fresh. Okay, so we needing just three ingredients for this recipe: pure glycerin bar soap. This is just my remaining soap that I have, so I don't want to waste it. Yeah, you know what they mean by saving for the raining days. So yeah, cucumber extract, purely extracted cucumber by me. I did that myself. Fresh cucumber. I like it fresh without any other alternative inside. That's how I like my cucumber. Cucumber will help your face to look clean, to remove dark cycles, and of course, give you that radiant you're looking for. Then honey is just a smooth emollient. How do they call it? Whatever you want to call it, my sister. So yeah, so honey just helps you to smoothen your face, remove dark cycles as well, and make your face soft and subtle. That's how you roll. So now what we need to do now is to blend all of this together. But then we're going to be using double method to heat up our soap. First I had to put my pot in the fire so it to get hot before time. Then I have to cut my bar soap. I have to cut it into pieces for it to melt easily. So yeah, cut it off into pieces, and after cutting it into pieces, you cut it very small so it can be easy for it to melt for you, unless you want to take a lot of time to melt your soap. To cut it, then I added my own soap. I put it back in the pot to heat for a while using the double method. Then you see this, it's already melted as quickly as you can imagine, so quick anyway. So yeah, it's already melted. So now take it out from the pot. Then we go ahead to mix our other recipe like so. Okay, now all you need to do is mix, 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 mix. Beautiful. Then you add your honey. And mix again properly. Make sure you're mixing it nicely, nice and nice and nice and nice and nice. After mixing nicely, you can now add your cucumber extracts. What I didn't want to add all of them because it would be too much, so I had to just add few quantity inside my mixture and mix. When I saw that I still needed more, I had to still add just a little bit of my cucumber. I added just a little bit, and then here we go, we're ready to go. And then I added one last recipe. This is not actually important, but because it's my own personal soap that I'm using, I had to add my black soap. Not anybody like black soap though, but I had to add my own personal black soap. Very small quantity because I wanted to have the just a little flavor of my black soap. Just wanted to just be creative. That's what I did. It's not really necessary. All right, you only need three ingredients. Like I said, you need honey, you need cucumber, and your bar soap, and you are good to go to have that flawless face that you desire. Then you put it straight to the mold. Girl, we're done. As simple as ABC. You're making your own face soap right in your own home. Then you just put it in the mold like so. Yeah. Then after that, I was so surprised to see that this soap came out 3 bars. Like, oh my god. So I'm going to have like 3 bar soap to use. So this soap is going to last me for 2 months for the face. 2 months. And then see, it's fine, ready to use. I had to leave it for a while to settle. Then I put it in the refrigerator. After that, I brought it out. So you see, good to use. So let's try what we made. Sorry, I'm using my other hand to hold the phone and then the other hand to show you guys what I made. So you can see it's lathering very well. So guys, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up if you find it very educative and informative. Please drop your comments if you have any questions. I will definitely answer your question. Bye bye. See you all in our next video. Big Little Skincare loves you. Mwah. You can start using your soap.